Crazy carrots, because they're the ones that normally get thrown out by supermarkets.
Oh, yeah.
By being a bit weird looking.
Hey guys, and welcome to the first episode of How to Adopt. I've got Jayden here. He's going to be doing his famous chicken curry tonight for the camp. Let's crack the fire, bro. So while everyone's relaxing by the fire, we're going to get to work. So we're going to cut up carrots, potatoes and onions for the curry. So why don't you get started on the carrots?
And today we're going to be using crazy carrots because we're a bit of a crazy carrot ourselves. And look at this crazy carrot. Carrots are diced up, now it's time for the onion. See, I'm not emotional.
Tonight, Jayden's going to be cooking in the camp oven.
My camp oven is going in the fire. Okay. Going to add a little bit of olive oil. Going to start with browning some onions.
Now that the onions are brown, it's time for the chicken. Chicken on it. Jayden, don't forget your veggies.
Yes, Captain. Now that the chicken's brown, time to add the water and let it slow cook.
Smells crazy.
Now with everything else cooking, time to get the rice cooking as well. So let's do it. It's bucketing our rain. We can't use the rice cooker, so we're going to put the rice with the chicken curry and do a 1 pot 1 knot. Now we've got the lid off, we're going to put the curry into the pot.
Yeah.